This is Gunasekaran Kamesh. I have completed BE Mechanical Engineering in Agro Engineering College with 7.8 CGPA, and I got placed in Tirumala Software Private Limited, which is located in Perumudi with a package of 6 lakh per annum. And this is really happened because of JSpiders, and they have teach me lot of things like Java, SQL, and web technology in easy and effective manner, and that has helped me to get placed in Tirumala with high package. And I'm really excited to share this moment with you all guys. And thanks for JSpider and who that me especially Setan sir has teach me lot things, and Natarajan sir from SQL department he has taught me more effective things. Due to them only I have placed here in Tirumala. So thank you guys, and thanks for the institute and JSpider and QSpiders.